Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to manage your support ticket system. So you actually have two accounts with us. You have a user account and you have an admin account. They are two totally separate accounts. Now those two accounts were going to be separate, so then you can log into your user account to go and use any of our products. And then when you want to manage your admin, you log in again using your admin ID. Now we've made it a lot easier than that because you can just switch up here. You can switch in between admin and a user. So this says go to admin. So then that shows that you're actually in a user account. And you can see on the left hand side here is that here are the products and you can use the products in here. Now there is a support ticket system in here. Don't touch it, okay? That's for a user. So if you went and sent a support ticket from in here, you're simply sending a support ticket to your own support ticket system. So you've got to remember there are two systems here. One is for a user and two is for admin. So only use your user account to be able to use any of the easy products. To manage your hub business, you go to admin. Now that we're in admin, you can see there's a total different menu on the left-hand side because this is admin. You can't access any of the products or use the products because this is admin and you are not logged in as a user. So now we'll be able to see support on here. Okay, so this is where you go in to send support tickets to us and to manage the support tickets that your customers submit to you. So we click on support and here is the system in here. You can see here I have two support tickets in here. I click on the action on the right hand side to view the ticket. So now I've clicked on the action and I can see here the ticket, and I've got a couple of choices of what I can do here. I can go to user management to go and find out more details about the client, and then that way then it can help you to respond to them the best way possible. You can then click on here and reply to the client. If there is something here that you cannot help the client with and you need help with, well then you just click on escalate to, well it will have escalate to easy. This one says escalated because I've already escalated it to easy support. So you would just click on that and then it'll send the support ticket and all the details in here will come to easy. Now, when easy responds, we do not reply directly to your customer. They are your customers. So the reply will come back to you, and then you can then go and reply to the client, right? Shows great customer service on your behalf from there. Now, the other thing we can go and look at now, let's just go here to all tickets. You never have to worry about closing a ticket because after a certain period of time, a couple of weeks I think it is, when somebody hasn't communicated via the ticket system, it'll close the ticket out automatically. So if we go back to all tickets, okay, so let's say we want to create a ticket. So we would click on create a ticket. You complete all the details in here. Okay, so if you wanted to send a ticket to us, to easy support, you simply select easy support and then the ticket will come directly to us and then we respond back to you. Make sure you put in here about what services and so forth. Now you can also correspond to all of your clients individually through this system. Now if you're going to contact a client individually, we strongly recommend that you use the ticket system. Reason being, you will always have a record of it here. The client will always have a record of it, right? The same with us at Easy. We don't allow clients to email us, right? Emails get lost. And then we have several different support agents. So if a support agent missed an email, or if two people worked on the same one at the same time because somebody sent 17 emails in on the same day, it's been 5 minutes, you haven't responded to me yet, what's happening? that can cause confusion. So always use a support ticket system to correspond with your clients when you're corresponding individually. And we've made it really easy for you to find the client. You can search by first name, last name. You can also search by username and email address. So let's say you know the person's name is John, but you've forgotten what his last name is. So if you just type in John, it will then list all of the different Johns that you have there as a customer. And then that hopefully will jog your memory of which customer you wanted to contact. Now, another thing that we can do here is that, let's just go back again. I did mention before that the tickets will automatically expire after a certain period of time when there's been no further correspondence in between yourself and your customer. If you want to find an old ticket, you can go back here by clicking on the archive. You can also go and look at all the other tickets too if you go up to user management, which I am not, because it's going to then go and expose all clients' details in there. But in user management, go and have a look in there. You can log in to the user, and then you'll be able to see all the tickets that that person has logged in there as well. Or you just use the search facility here, but go into archive and then search from the archives. Okay, so the key points that I want you to remember here is that you have two accounts. You have a user account and you have an admin account. The user account is to be able to use our easy softwares. The admin account is to run your business. You never use support when you're logged in as the user. Always use support when you're logged in as admin. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next video.